situation that one unit was broken. Okay, it happens, one unit. Tomorrow, another 2 units. Then another 5 units. And it took them time to realize that something is happening. Okay? Finally, it was investigated, and they found out that it was an internet-generated attack. Furthermore, it was published that 2 years earlier, there was a meeting in the US at Idaho National Laboratories, and somebody already told Siemens that PLC, the 317, the number 370 type PLC, and the other products in this family, they have some weaknesses. And probably they said, okay, thank you very much, we are going to fix it. But in the meantime, somebody had an idea, and an attack happened. So, as I mentioned earlier, after that attack, we already talked about it, the IT and the ICS started to be connected. There is a truly detailed explanation. There's also a movie about it, if you want to see about a cyber attack, but a very detailed explanation you can find from Tofino Security, which explains step by step exactly the technical details of